Hello, my name is Amit and we are learning Python. We are discussing here module 4, that is function and the modules. So function is a block of reusable code that perform a specific task. Okay, so create your own functions and syntax is diff function name parameter code block and the return result. So this is the syntax. How we can write? Just try to understand with the example. So diff, that is defining greet name, and return f string hello name, and then print greet Amit. See, okay. So define greet name, return f string hello name, and print greet Amit. So it will print hello and name Amit. If I make this blank and then print only hello. So this way we have to give name. It will combine hello and Amit. So we have to recall it. Type of functions. So built-in functions predefined like len, print, sum. So this is built-in function print, this one. And then second is user defined function defined by the users. See, we define it. Define greet like this. So it's a user defined function. Built-in functions and user defined functions. Example 2, functions with parameter. Okay, diff, we are defining add underscore number a comma b, return result equal to a plus b, return result, then sum value equal to add the number, which number, these two number. Print sum is sum of the value, this value. Okay, here. So diff add number a comma b, result a plus b, return result. So sum value equal to add a number, put any number here, it will add. See, it's add the number, sum is 15. So this is a function with parameter. Then function with return value. So diff multiply x comma y, return x into y, output multiply 4 comma 3, print multiplication result output, this one. Okay, so it will give the multiplication of 4 in 4 comma 3. If you change the value like 12 comma 18, 216, so it's a function with return value. Then fourth example, function that check even and odd. So define check even and odd num. If num divided by 2 equal to 0, return even, else odd. Print check even odd, just give the number. So here 7, it will give output as an odd number. If I make this 10, it will give output as an even number. So function parameter, a parameter type and the description required must be passed in a correct order. Default, take a default value if no argument are passed. Keyword, argument passed by the name, not the position. Arbitrary positional, that is arg, accept variable number of argument as a tuple. Arbitrary keyword quark. So accept variable number of keywords argument as a dictionary. Okay. Required parameter. So diff greet name, print hello name, greet Amit. So here parameter is required. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we have to give the parameter. See, hello Amit. If you don't give the parameter, see, throw the error. So it's a we need required parameter. So give the parameter. Even if you put blank, that is fine. So hello only because we didn't give. Let's suppose Sumit. Okay. Oh, hello Sumit. Okay, fine. So default. So first required parameter after that default parameter. So for default parameter, diff greet name equal to guest. We just here define. We didn't give anything, just name. Here name as a guest. So this is a default parameter. If we did not give the required parameter, it's automatically print this. So diff greet name as a guest, print hello name, greet name and greet. So let's copy this. Try to run here. Okay. So it's give hello Amit, hello guest. So first case we give parameter, that's why hello Amit. Second case we didn't give the parameter, so default value hello guest. Here, if I make this comment, hello guest, because this is a default parameter. The keyword argument. So diff student name age print f name and age. The student age equal to 22 and name is Rahul. Let's try this. It has printed name as Rahul and age as 21. So F stand for formatted string literal, usually called F string. It allows you to insert variable directly inside the string using curly braces. Then arbitrary position parameter, that is args, used with star. So use when you don't know how many argument will be passed. See, we don't know how many argument are passed. Here 2 argument and here 3 arguments. So we don't know how many argument will be passed. In that case, we use args. So diff add number args. Total equal to sum args. So put in sum is total. Add number 10, 20, 30. Add number 5 and 15. When I run this, it's 60. Some of this is 60 and this is. So we don't know how many parameter are we have to pass. If I increase this, it again run. See? So we can put any number of parameter. In that case, we have to use R. After that, arbitrary keyword parameter, that is quark. So use when you want to accept any number of keyword argument. So diff print info quark for key value in a quark dot item. printf key value print info name equal to Amit, age 30th city Delhi. It will print name, age and city. If I increase this like department, IT, again not this, see it's including. So this is work like a tuple and this is work as a dictionary. So it's in accept any number of keyword argument and it's accept many we don't know the how many arguments we have to pass. Let's suppose a real life example, online shopping carts. So order define order summary quarks total equal to 0 print order summary for item price in quarks dot item print f item is to price total equal to plus equal to price and print total bill. Okay, this is the laptop mouse and keyboard. It will give the items and price and at the end total bill. If you add something more, let's suppose more, okay, add, see, it's added. Then variable argument. In Python, variable argument allow a function to accept variable number of input. There are two main type, args, non-keyword variable argument, used when you want to pass a variable number of positional argument to the function inside the function. Arg is a tuple of all passed values. Example, diff add number arg total equal to 0 for num in a arg total plus equal to number print sum total add the number. So it will add the number. Fine. If I increase this, like this. So here number of parameters are not fixed. Quarks keyword variable argument used when you want to pass a variable number of keyword argument, that is name argument inside the function. Quark is dictionary. So diff print info quarks for key value in a quarks item print k f key and value. So here put the key value keywords arguments like name, course, level, and you can increase any number of keywords. Okay, if you add something more, it will accept like name, course, level, then let's suppose age, like this. Scope of a function. The scope refers to the region of program where a variable is recognized or accessible. Type of scope in a Python. Python use the Legby rule to determine variable scope. What is this Legby rule? L for local, E for enclosing, G for global, and B for built-in. So L local is name defined inside the function. E enclosing, name in the local scope of enclosing function for nested function. And global, G global, name defined at the top level of the script and the model. Built-in, B name pre-signed in a Python like len, range, and range etc. Example, x equal to global. We make x as a global. Diff my function, x is a local. Under the function, there is a local function. So print inside the function x as a local, and my function print outside the function x is a global. See? Inside the function is local and outside the function is global. So this is a global function and this is a local function. So x equal to local is a local to the function and does not affect the global variable. Global keywords. To modify a global variable inside a function, use the global keywords. So x equal to 5, this is a global variable. Then diff modify global x equal to 10, print modify print x. See, we already defined x equal to 5, but after that we modify it, so it printed the modified value, not the global value. If I make this comment and again run this code, then it print the global value. Fine. Function documentation. In Python, function documentation refers to the use of doc string to describe what a function does, its parameter, return value, and other relevant information. This makes your code more readable and maintainable, especially when shared with others. Okay. Use triple quote just below the functions defined like this. Diff greet name, greet the person with the provided name, parameter, return string, a greet message. So it will comment it. Return f equal f hello name. So let's try this. Okay. Diff name dot triple quote, and whatever the things we put under the triple quote, it will be commented, and then print greet and give some name like with and run this. So it print hello Amit, and within this all are commented, but it's help us to understand the code. So that is functions documentation. Lambda functions and map. A lambda function is a small anonymous known function in a Python. It is used when you need a function for a short period and usually consists of single expressions. Syntax lambda argument expression. Example, square equal to lambda x is to x into x. So print a square number. It will give the number like this, 25. 25 here. So the map function apply a given functions to all item in an iterable like a list. Syntax is map function iterable. The return a map object, so you often convert it to the list. So using lambda function map, example, square all number in a list. Number, these are the numbers, square So we can use lambda with list, lambda and the map. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the list, and we use map and lambda. And so x is the number within the list. So x into x, and from where it take from the numbers and the square. So it will give the square of all the numbers. Similarly, convert all string to the uppercase. Let's suppose name equal to list of this name, and upper underscore name equal to list map lambda name dot upper, and from where it take from the list of name, and then print upper dot name. Fine. See, all the small letter converted to the capital letter. Now real life example, rupees convert to the dollar. So assume $1 equal to 75 rupees. So price in rupees, this is the rupees. Now price in dollar, list map lambda x is to x divided by 75. So x is the rupees divided by 75, so it converted into the dollar. So price in a rupees and price in dollar equal to list map lambda x is to x divided by 75. It will convert into the rupees, and from where it take price underscore in dot underscore rupees from here. Fine. Create a module. So here this is a good important part of this module. So create a module in a Python is a simple. A module is just a Python file with a .py extension that contain functions, variable or class which you can import into the other Python program. Okay, we create a file where we have giving this thing, and we can import this thing into the other Python program. How we can do that? Create a Python file as a module. Okay, give a name, create a file whose name is module.py. Just copy this name and like this, and just enter. So when you enter, you get a file like this. Fine. And then copy this code. Okay. So what is this? Diff greet name return f string hello name. Diff add a comma b return a plus b, and pi value of pi is 3.14159. Okay. Just copy this code and paste it into this file, my module.py here. Okay. So it's already there. After that, create another Python file. So here the file is now a module with a function greet, a function add, and variable pi. Use the module in another Python file. Now create another Python file, example main.py, in this directory, and use the module. So this is the another file, another Python file. Just create it like this and just enter. You will get file like this. Okay. So after that, put the second code, and it's a like import my module. So we are importing this my module, this one. File name is my module. Under that, these are the functions, and for greet and adding and variable pi. So we are importing this file. Instead of writing code, we are importing this file here. Print my module dot greet. I mean, here we are defining. Okay, so it will hello dot name, and we are giving here name in the second file. Print some variable, and we are giving value here. So it will do this activity. After that, print the value of pi from my module.py. So this is the value of pi. Okay. So copy this code and paste into my main file. So this is already pasted here. Now we have to run first my module.py. Just run this. After running this code, see, when I run this, it's created a this file, pi catchy file here. Okay, it's automatically created this folder, pi catchy once after running this code, and then import this thing into this file, main file. Okay, just run this. See, hello Amit, and adding this thing and pi value from we importing everything from here, the formula, the string value, and the pi value. So this is the use of creating a module. We can import the code or data from one file to the another file without writing this code into the main file. Okay. So a standard module are built-in module that comes with the Python standard libraries. These modules provide wide range of functionalities like math operations, file handling, date, time, regular expression, system interaction, and more without needing to install anything extra. Mathematical module. Mathematical functions like square, pow, and sine, etc. Random functions like functions to generate random number. You will. This is also important. Statics functions for statical operations like mean, median, mode, like this. Date and time. These are the inbuilt functions. Date and time. Date and time give date and time manipulation. Time working with the time related functions like sleep and time. Then file and directory management. OS interact with the operating system. Sut, subtile file operation like copy, move, and delete. System and environment interaction. So SYS access to the system specific parameter and functions. Platform inform about the platform OS and processor etc. Get pass secure password input. Okay, these all are the input function, built-in function. After that, data handling, JSON file reading and writing JSON data, CSV file working with the CSV file, pickle serializing and deserializing Python objects, text and parameter matching, RE regular expressions of the operation, string constant and functions, internet and web service like URL lib handling the URL open and parses, HTTP module for handle HTTP file, socket to network connection and using TCP and IP. So this is also a very good concept, socket and network. Error and the exception handling, logging message for the tracking, warming, issue warming message, track back, print or retrieve a stack trace back. Utilities, iter tool functions for efficient looping. Functions tool, higher order functions. Example, LRU catchy reduce. Collection, a specialized container data type, duke and counter. So we are going to check a small example for all. These are the maths, import maths. These are the input functions, import date and time and import random. These all are the inbuilt functions. So when you run this code here, you will get square root of 5, then import date and time, so it gives the current date and time, and then random number, it will give the random number here 8 within 1 to 10. If I click once again, see second random number, again run, other random number like this. So these are the inbuilt functions of Python. Okay, thank you. Thank you for completing this module 7.